What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Wall of Hype. My name is Orlando, and if you're new to the channel, we showcase artists that can take plain kicks like Air Force Ones, Jordans, cleats, Vans, and turn them into customs that sneakerheads love. And in today's video, we've got a jam-packed lineup that I think you'll enjoy. But before I start, please hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy what we are doing. We'd appreciate your love and support to the channel. Our first goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, let's get started. So our first design is a Borderlands 3 Akedo custom. The designer, art of a visionary. The shoes, an Akedo canvas footwear. Now, I thought they were Converse, but art of a visionary teamed up with Borderlands and Akedo footwear to create this crazy custom design. You can see we have textures all over the place, even in the shoelaces. You have the design, the logo treatment on the tongue tag, or actually the tongue of the shoe, on the toe. And then if you just take a look, you can see the details that was put in by art of a visionary. You know, when you take a look at the colors that are being used, you got the yellows, the oranges, the dirty browns, you got the grays, you got the blacks, and then the blue. That just makes this design just pop, right? It's a great job from art of a visionary. The details, especially on the shoelaces, but all the way around the entire design, you did a great job, and I commend you. We have a video that will you guys can see what art of a visionary did to create this textured look that's it's sick. Let's take a look. Very cool video. Showed us the technique, the colors that was used, the different brushes, the techniques, even used the finger to get that textured, weathered look. It's amazing. You also see they also use stencils to make sure the lines are also clean, but at the same time giving this an organic feel. Next, we have a Boba Fett Nike Customs. The designer, Sab One. The shoe is a Nike Blazer Mid. Now, just looking at this design, you've already shot out the colors. We got avocado, crimson, black, and buttercup for the colorway. A nice touch adding the clan sigil to the heel. Wax laces. We also have the mythosaur skull tongue tags and the Slave One blueprint insoles. And then one thing I want to add on to this is if you look at the lace guard and the side on the red, you see those touches of white. Those are beautiful details added to the machine or the metal-like design of Boba Fett. You see the shoe, the anklet, or the shoe tips, that gold color just completes it. And there was great care into the design of this shoe to make sure that it matched the Mandalorian scheme. If you're a fan of the Mandalorian, just like I am, this shoe is a cool custom to have on your feet. Here we have is a special treat. These are called the Waffle Rubber Customs. Now, I gave it the name. I'm not sure what the true name of these shoes are, but it's made by designer Donnie the Diebuck, and he customizes all types of shoes, whether it's Nikes, Vans, Adidas. But what's cool and unique about these shoes is it looks like it's liquid rubber. His process is unique. Looks like he has the liquid rubber, and then he just glides them on as needed. And I think for the soles of the shoe, it's a dip. And then on top of that, he comes back and then he starts adding in the drip. To me, this is a beautiful concept, a beautiful shoe. There are some reactions that are both negative and good, but personally, I'd love to have a pair of these shoes. Well, that's it for this video. Comment below and let us know which one of these custom kicks is your favorite. There are a ton of customizers creating awesome designs, and we'd love to try and showcase them all. If you made it this far, thank you for watching, and see you in our next video from Wall of Hype.